Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now we are able to successfully completing the quiz app. So when I select the correct answer, so we are able to see, and we are going to the next bit like that, right? Now fine. So we are going. So now we are not able to know in which question we are and how many points we have gained and what is the progress of the quiz app. These are all the things we are not able to understand. So if you show at the top at the progress bar something like that, so it will be nice enough, right? So let's try to implement that progress thing. So for that one, what I will try to do is I will create a new component that is progress.js. So export default function progress, and I will return div progress. I will use the progress here. So this is our component, and here where we can display at the top of the questions. So progress, let's import this progress. Yes, okay. So now if you try to see at the top, you will be able to see a progress. Now we will try to display it. So for this progress, we need to send the questions count, total how many questions are there. We need to send the questions count. Okay, so let's try to send it, questions count. Okay, and another one what we need to send is the current question which we are, that is nothing but the index. So the current question, let's try to show. So we have, so here I will try to display one div. In this div I will show one span or strong, whichever it may be. So I am trying to show one strong questions or question, whichever it may be. 1 by 15, we'll try to make it dynamic. And the another one which I want, and the another one which I want to display is the points. Okay, and here also 1 by 15. Let's try to see the output, how it will look like. So these are the two things, right? So I will be having the style here. I will use the display as flex. Now I will use justify content for this one. Justify content as a space between. Let's see how it will look like. So we are able to show questions and this one, and at the top I will show the progress. Okay, progress, that is nothing but HTML progress bar, we have it, right? So I will show the progress here. So for this one we need to pass two things, that is maximum, so it should be around 15 questions, and the current question which we are having 1. So like this it will try to display, and we can have a style. I will display the style, and style is width of 100%. Okay, so this width 100%, so that it will be like this. So now we need to make these all the things dynamic. So how can we make it? So we already sending the questions count here. Okay, and also the another one which we are trying to send is the index. So here I can show questions count means, so here the current index, the current question which we are, and also here we need to show the current questions count. So questions count we need to show it. So both the things we are trying to show. 2 by 15, so which we are. So let's refresh this page, and here let's start it. So here we are showing 0 by 15, as the index starts from 0, so we can make it as in +1. So here, and this one also we can make it, the total questions is nothing but the questions count, so we can make it here. And the another one is the value is nothing but the current index. Okay, so this should be starting with the 0 only. Why? Because so here the first question is completed, right? So that is the reason we need to be here only. So fine, now we need to display the points also. So as we know that we have the points with us, so that is nothing but in our data we are having the points, and we need to get the total points of the quiz. That means the 15 questions which we are having right now, so we need to count each one. So for that what I can do is I can take the derived state here, constant max points. Okay, max points is equal to questions, we got the questions dot reduce. I will be using the reduce, and we will be getting the accumulator, and also the current, right? So we will be getting the current, and for this one what I can do is I need to return accumulator plus current. This time it's a points, right? Current dot points, and here I can have a 0. So that's it, we are having the maximum points, and I will try to send it to the progress bar, here the points, that is nothing but the points, the total points, what the user has earned, and also the max points also we will take it. So total points which the user has to earn. So now we got the points and the maximum points. Let's go to the progress.js bar. Sorry, not JS bar. So points we got it, and also the maximum points also we got it. So let's try to show the points here. So points I will try to show it, and also the last one what I want to show is the maximum points. So let's see that whether it will work fine or not. Let's click on the let's start, and here I am getting 0 by nan. I don't know why we are displaying it as a nan. So what could be the issue here? So here we are getting the questions, and we are doing this accumulator, and also the current dot points we are trying to get it. So let's see in the inspect element, so whether in the network or in the components, right, in the components. So app.js, so what could be the issue here? Reducer effect and everything, we are having new entry, and this is our reducer. So points is 0, correct, and we have a questions. So I think which we will be having the points 10 is there. Okay, fine. Everything is having points. What could be the issue in this one? So everything is having points, right? So everyone is having a points. So I think it's correct one. Oh, so this one points got missed. So for seventh question or something like that, points got missed. So that means the key is not available for some data. Maybe I have missed it in our fake JSON API, I think. So this is our points, right? So let's try to see one by one. Question, this is having points, points is having, this one is having, this one is having, this one is having, this one is having. Yeah, here it got missed. Okay, let's copy this one, comma, and I will paste it. So is there any other one which got missed? Yeah, here this one H2O got missed it. So now here points, everyone is having points. So now if I try to see the output for this one, let's check. Yeah, here the total points we are getting is the 150 points. That is total 15 questions are there. Each question carries 10 points. So total 150 points you're able to get it. And 1 by 15 question. So first question it is. So let's try to select the first Jupyter. Right answer I have selected. Now when I click on the next, this point should be updated to the 10. And here the question should be 2. If I click on the next, see now I got the 10 points and the question we have upgraded it to second. So now if I try to select wrong answer, so the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Okay, fine. Let's click on the next one. So the question has upgraded to 3, but the points I am having is only 10 points. Now here this is a William Shakespeare, the correct question. And now let's try to click on the next. So the points has been upgraded for me and the question is 4 by 15. So now we are able to successfully implement the progress bar, and the points also is displaying correctly. I think the code, the progress is working fine. So this is how we will be displaying the Viz app. So everything is working fine, I think. So this is how we will be displaying. So I will commit this code in our new branch. So if you want to refer this code or anything, so whoever may be having a doubts or anything, if you want to refer this code, so the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below of this video. You can go and refer that code. So this is the nothing but showing progress. Okay, showing progress. Let's commit this code, and that's it guys, as usual. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.